Hey YouTube, want to make a quick video today of my first oil change for my 2017 GMC Sierra SLT. I just turned the ignition on just so you could see that it's only got 1,373 miles on it. This is the very first oil change. Well, anyways, I wanted to go ahead and change it before the 3,000 mile mark. I guess because I'm a little anal about stuff like that. I want to take as good a care as I can of my truck, you know. And you know, whenever you break in a normal race engine, you know, like this, you break it in and you drain the oil immediately. So I figured this be my first vehicle. I should have went ahead and drained it out earlier just to be safe, but I figured I would get a little miles on it. And like I said, I'm just shy of 1,200 miles before my first oil change. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that today. But I've got a few products here that might make things a little bit easier, better for you over the long run of your vehicle and help protect you. If you're like me, you know, you paid you know, quite a bit of money, $50,000-$60,000 for the loaded out SLT with the 6.2 and the 8-speed and all the bells and whistles, and you know, you want to take care of it. So here's just a few little things that can help you make your vehicle last a little bit longer. Right here, we have a just a stock drain plug. I pulled it out for the first time just a minute ago. You can see it's got the gasket on the back. It's kind of like a little O-ring. And then if you look here on the end, there's no magnet. And you might be saying, oh, you don't need a magnet. Well, yeah, you might not. But for a little added security, I figured why not get the best drain plug out there that's got a real strong magnet on the end of it. And this is where this company comes in. Dimple motor oil magnets. And I got this drain plug from them. It looks pretty much just like a stock drain plug. It's got the same style gasket. It looks like. It looks like it's like an anodized blue. But there, here on the end, it's got a really strong magnet. And you're sitting here asking yourself, will that thing really pick up anything? Well, I'll go ahead and tell you right now. Haven't even tried it on this drain plug yet. But you can see it jerk that drain plug from a pretty good ways away, and it won't quit trying to pick it up. So anyways, you think that would pick up some metal shavings out of your oil? I do. So as far as I'm concerned, that's cheap insurance, and you know, later on down the road you'll end up needing a new drain plug anyways if you end up stripping it out. So why not just go ahead and try this one, you know, for your first few oil changes until it wears out, and see if it picks up any metal. So that's what I figured I would do. So that's the one I'm going to be running. From the same company, Dimple motor oil magnets. They sell this product here. It's called drainplugmagnets.com is the website, but the name of the product is Super Black Hole. And I thought, when I looked at these online, I thought, man, it's just a magnet. This guy's, you know, trying to get a lot of money just for a magnet. Well, that's what I thought. So at the same time, when I ordered these, I went ahead and got online, got on eBay, and I ordered these magnets. These are supposed to be the high grade N52, I believe, is the highest quality magnets, and I wanted to compare them. So anyways, I compared them just a few minutes ago, and I'll go ahead and tell you, if it's in question about buying these magnets, if they're very strong, go ahead and get them. Go ahead and get them, because I'll go ahead and tell you, I was putting them on a while ago, and I pinched the hell out of myself because these magnets are super strong. I mean, when they snap together, you know they come together, and you don't want to have your finger in between them, because I'm telling you, look at that. I mean, look, it's pushing that magnet away. I ain't even nowhere near it. I'm within over 1.5 inches away maybe even 2 inches. And it's pushing that other magnet away. So that gives you an idea. And I'll go ahead and tell you, you've seen those two pop together. If your finger would have been in there, you'd been hurting. That would have pinched the hell out of you. It happened to me a while ago. So, do I think those will pick up some metal shavings? Yeah. Yep. Pretty much the same magnet that's like in the bottom of your stock transmission pan on a lot of vehicles. That's pretty much what these are, except these are even stronger. So yeah, I know that these will definitely pick up some metal shavings. So I definitely recommend those, and go ahead and get your oil filter, your oil plug magnet as well. Same company, Dimple motor oil magnets. And for another company that I thought was very interesting, it's called K&P Engineering. It says the world's finest oil filters, made in the USA. Well, what really drew me to K&P Engineering was the amount of flow that you get from these filters. You get like 7 times more flow than just like a stock paper element filter. Well, you're sitting here saying to yourself, oh well, yeah, well there's more flow, you're sucking in more metal shavings and this, that, and other. Well, not necessarily. It filters just as good as an OEM filter, but it flows 7 times better. Well, you're sitting here saying, well, how's that possible? Well, inside this filter here, there is a, I'll try to do it if I can get in here without dropping everything. Let's see. I'm going to set the phone down just for a second. Okay, what you do is you just push down on the filter and turn it counterclockwise, and then this thing pops out. And if you look at this, this is a really fine mesh stainless steel, and it is supposed to be just like amazing when it comes to filtering the oil. And like I said, it's supposed to let oil through there free flowing. And anyways, it sold me. I had talked to several people about it, and it got good reviews. And then one final thing that I liked about it was it has this little magnet here on the top. It's one of those super strong magnets as well. If you look at the side of the filter, you can tell this is a high quality piece. It's machined out of billet aluminum. This piece here has been anodized, so it's easy to clean. But then you look right here, it's got these deep cooling fins. And you know, if I don't know if it helps or not, we'll see. But it's supposed to help keep your engine oil cooler. And they also say that these filters are good for a little bit of horsepower and torque. Not much, but just a little bit, just simply because the oil pump don't have to work as hard, and there's less restriction. So you might see, I don't know, I think they said 1 to 3 horsepower. Now you might receive that and you might not, but if it filters just as good and it allows the oil to flow in there 7 times better than a filter, and it can get to your vital engine components faster, to me that just sounds way better. So figured I'd give it a shot. And plus it's reusable. You can use this the whole life of the vehicle. When the vehicle goes bad in 200,000 miles, switch it out, put it on something else. I mean, this thing's supposed to last a long time. It even comes with the oil filter wrench. And if you want to check them out, it's K&P Engineering. You can check out their website and talk to my boy Dylan out there. Really nice guy. I mean, just give him a call. And here at Dimple Motor Oil Magnets, call and speak with a Richard. Super nice guy. I believe Richard's the owner. But anyways, guys, this is just a few products that might help your vehicle last a little bit longer and help pick up some of the metal shavings out of your oil and help your truck last a little bit longer. And we'll see how it works out over the long haul. And hopefully I'll have this truck for years to come. All right. Talk to you later. See you, YouTube.